Hello! So today we're going to be making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, a staple for any household. To start, what you're going to need is some sliced bread, jelly, whatever kind of jelly you prefer, peanut butter, and something to spread them with. I'm going to be using a butter knife because I think it's the easiest, but you could use a spoon, a fork, I guess, whatever you'd like. So, I'm going to take my peanut butter, get a dollop of that, and spread it on one side of the bread. And then I'm going to take my jelly, I have grape jelly, and get another dollop of that and spread it on the other side. I'm actually going to add a little bit more jelly because I like jelly more than peanut butter. So I want a little bit more of a jelly and peanut butter sandwich than a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Okay. I am going to put those two together and then I'm good. That's how I like it. If you don't like the crust, or if you have a kid or someone in your family who doesn't like the crust, of course, feel free to cut that off. So the reason I'm making a peanut butter and jelly today is because I'm using ingredients that you could find at Roane State's food pantry. The food pantry is free to any student at Roane State who needs it. Always feel free to reach out on any campus, no matter where you are. They want to help you. Feel free to email need@roanestate.edu. So again, just shoot them an email at need@roanestate.edu.